Hi everyone, welcome to another edition of my Ghar Ki Kheti. So today I'm very excited. आज बहुत खुश हूँ मैं आपको ये दिखाते हुए कि ये मेरा सेब का पेड़, my little apple tree. I know it's little, it's been 3 years, but I'm super excited because finally I have a fruit. Look at it. 2 little apples. So as they say कि दो ही काफी और से माफी, but not for this tree. So I'm very excited about these apples. Look at it, बहुत छोटे हैं और बहुत तपस्या की मैंने इन एप्पल्स को उगाने के लिए. I used to talk to this tree every day that please can you give me some apples. This is a pink lady apple tree and Himachal से आप एक लड़की को बाहर ले जा सकते हैं. As they say, you can take the girl out of Himachal, but you cannot take Himachal out of the girl. So here's me getting all excited about my apple tree. Here's to eating organic, living healthy, high thinking, and my Ghar Ki Kheti. So till next time, see you later. Bye.